Pepe coin holders? We got a video for you guys. Bitcoin, once again, new all-time highs today. And Pepe is ripping and roaring. I'm going to show you guys my trade that's absolutely going crazy right now. And without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Black Sea. Thank you for stopping by. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop into it. All right, guys. So yesterday, I posted on Crypto Twitter. You can follow me at 333 Black Sea. I said a 75x Pepe long a day keeps the dip at bay, right? I was 54.81% in the profit. But what if I told you I kept that trade open? Because I've been saying, you know, guys, during these videos, I'm going to start opening trades, some just fun trades, high leverage, small amount of money, and just seeing what happens throughout the course of the video. Well, I kept that trade open since yesterday, and now we're sitting at a 1,670% gain, and we are up $2,800, nearly $2,900. And this was a $170 trade, okay? This is not like any of my other trades. This was just a fun little throw a little bit of money, $100 at 75x long, and just have some fun. This is not my serious position like my $200,000 XRP position. This is just some fun I've been having. You know, I was looking at Pepe. I was telling you guys, I'm sniffing out long positions. When we broke above the yellow line here on Pepe, that's where I said, hey guys, like keep an eye above here. If we start to close above the yellow trend line here at around 5092, expect a test of these two blue levels. It was a 30% gain from the yellow line to the first level of interest. And I said, hey guys, then when we broke above it, I said, when we rejected off this, if we hold this level right here, if we hold right at 4012, I am looking for longs. And what did I do as we started bouncing? I opened up that long position. And no, it wasn't anything substantial, but guys, I threw $100 at it. And look at this. We're up nearly $3,000. That's why leverage trading during volatile markets is such a useful tool. Because when the market's hot and you're striking while that iron's hot, you can truly capitalize on the market going up. Because, guys, the market doesn't go up all the time. And the market doesn't go down all the time. Usually there's a lot of just sideways chopping around. But when you finally catch a big move to the upside or the downside, it doesn't take that much capital to make a lot of capital. And that's how I try to capitalize. It's a lot of capitals. Capitalize on the volatility with leverage. And if you guys do want to check out some leverage trading, check out in the description box below or pinned comment down below. If you want to trade with me, check out Blowfin. You have a $5,000 sign bonus when you use our personal affiliate link down below. All you have to do is click that link, deposit, trade a little bit. You get a bunch of free money, as well as they have some awesome promotions going on as well. Like if you trade X amount of money in general, it's not like a raffle system or anything like that. You can win a Tesla Model 3, which is worth about $30,000. Pretty cool. We have a little reward promo going on with the Crypto Report where you can win that. So got to take advantage of it, guys, when the market's hot. But now, I'm not a financial advisor. That's not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing and how I'm capitalizing on this market. So looking at Bitcoin, all-time highs. All-time highs, guys. And this is why I'm so bullish on memes and risk on assets, aka Pepe, is because when the market starts heating up like this, and you start to see clearing of previous highs that were back here in January. How many months has it been? If you look at this, it's been 123 days, okay? Nearly 6 months, nearly. Close enough. 5 months. 4 months, 4.5, 5 months, all right? When you start to break above previous highs like this and put a new all-time high in, it creates price discovery mode, okay? Price discovery mode is when retail investors start flowing back in, rushing back in, because I don't know what it is. Bitcoin just needs to break above all-time highs to see altcoins and retail come back. It's as simple as that. I don't know why it's that way. It's just pure greed. That's really what it all comes down to, is human greed, and that's why we'll always have crazy meme coin runs and altcoin runs, is because greed. It's as simple as that. People have a hard time buying the low and selling the high. Now, I'm not saying that's the high, but it's much more easy to buy the high because of FOMO, guys. It's greed. But I do expect this to continue to make a move further to the upside. I wouldn't be surprised at all if we kind of come closer to 100,000 for a little bit of a breakdown where we trade sideways before we see a continuation of the upside. But guys, the fundamentals in crypto right now are just so absolutely bullish. It's pretty hard to be bearish right now. And I think that with how quiet the crypto market is, I expect further moves to the upside on Bitcoin, and I expect the Fed to pivot to quantitative easing and I expect the Fed to cut rates 4 times. Hypothetically, the Fed projected 4 rate cuts in 2025. We've had 0 so far, so I expect 4 rate cuts, and that's going to create a more favorable risk-on asset environment for Pepe. Pepe is the riskiest of assets, okay? Maybe not the riskiest, honestly. It's in the riskiest sector. We'll call it meme coins, all right? So I'm bullish, and I hope I'm going to continue to hold this trade open. Let's see how crazy. Maybe we'll get a 10,000% gain on this. I think it's possible, especially if Pepe goes to all-time highs. If you measure this move, guys, we cleared above this channel, which is absolutely awesome to see. If you come to test new all-time highs, that's an 80% gain. My Pepe trade will probably be worth, probably will be worth about $15,000 if we see something like that. Maybe higher. Maybe I'm doing that math wrong, but it will be a very, very large trade off of a $100 little ham sandwich, you know? Throw $100 at it and see what happens. And that's kind of what my plan is to do it during these videos, is just open some trades and see what happens. And obviously, like I said, I have my more, I don't want to say important, but it is more important. It's more money. My XRP trade, it's a $200,000 trade, but I have my more serious trades, if you will. You know, the 75x leverage, throwing $100, guys, I can lose that. It's okay. I'm not afraid to lose the $100, but it's a lot of fun, you know, throwing $100 on and seeing if it will go to 1,000, 2,000. And honestly, I'm surprised that it's still held open, but I got it at the right time, and I think it's going to continue to run. So it's a lot of fun to watch that. But looking at Pepe right now, we are sitting at rank. Oh, I skipped that. We're sitting at rank 24. Up 19.53% in the past 7 days, up 14% in the past 24 hours. Yeah, guys, I love to see it. It's a lot of fun. It's so much more fun when everyone's making money in the crypto space. It's so much of a better spot. Sitting at a $6.66 billion market cap. Guys, we were at like a $3 billion a couple weeks ago, and I think that we're probably going to see this continue. And the volume is down 17%, which is absurd. Then we got a lot higher to go here. You look at the overall market, Bitcoin trading at $111,000, new all-time highs, and Ethereum hasn't yet budged. It's come up a little bit, but guys, underneath $3,000 Ethereum, don't expect altcoin season. Really, you should be keeping your eye on Bitcoin dominance, trading at 62.75%. We exclude stablecoins, but I say at 64.75%. And you look at this, it's trying to break down. It is trying to break down. You want to see Bitcoin dominance break down. If you see this breakdown, really anywhere below, say, 62.57, and really a more important level to break below is 61.86. If we break down below that, I expect fireworks. I expect new all-time highs for Pepe coin, all right? So keep an eye on these levels here, guys, and if you want to enter some trades, you should be keeping an eye on 60. I would say like the clear target would be like 61.91%. And if you start to break below that, you should be expecting big moves for Pepe. Now, guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Do you think I should keep my Pepe 75x long open, or should I take some profits? I'll do it for the content. I'll keep it open. But I want to know what you guys have to say in the comment section below. That's all I got, guys. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.